Hello, and thanks for listening to this week's Real Estate Market Update. My name is Douglas McDonald, and today is Thursday, March 15th, 2007. Well, this week you've probably heard a lot about the subprime mortgage market, and you're probably scratching your head thinking, what does this mean and how will this affect me as a future home buyer? Well, what this means to you is that many of the mortgages that were placed with homeowners over the past 2 to 3 years were given to them on a short-term fixed basis. After 2 to 3 years, these loans traditionally then start to adjust and many times adjust upwards. These loans were primarily given to people with poor credit, those people with credit scores of under 620, or with people who were going stated income with credit scores under 660. Now, these stated income loans, the ones that are going bad and causing so much problems on Wall Street, were given to people who actually should not have gotten them because they're now not being able to afford their mortgage and pay it back. This is an unfortunate situation, should have never happened. However, it may be able to benefit you as the home buyer because what they're projecting is many more homes being added to the market around the country by these homeowners who now have these adjustable rate loans that are adjusting upwards who cannot afford them. Now remember, lenders are out there to make money by lending money and getting paid back. So when a lender is forced to foreclose, they generally don't want to hang on to the property very long, and they'll generally market it at a price level that's just below market price in order to get it off the books. If there are homes like this in the inventory, you want to pay close attention to them because you may be able to get a good deal on them. Now here in the Bay Area, we're not going to be as impacted by this explosion or implosion, shall I say, of the subprime mortgage market because most of the homes in the Bay Area are at such a high value that many of the subprime lenders would not lend that much money, therefore making most of the homes immune to the risks of the subprime mortgage market because, frankly, these homes just didn't get that type of financing. The lower priced homes, I would say between the $350 and the $550 price range, if you're in that price range, you may want to keep an eye on the market and look for, in the description of the properties, the letters REO or foreclosure or short sale. These all indicate, of course, that there is some sort of pressure on the seller or now the new owner being the bank that may be able to work to your advantage in terms of negotiating a lower sales price. However, I want you to know that there are still some great, wonderful zero and low down payment loan programs available. Specifically, the one that I've been promoting a lot is the California HFA loan. This is the Housing Finance Authority loan. Now, this loan is income sensitive, meaning that you can only earn so much money in order to qualify. The benefits of this loan, however, are that you can come in with zero down payment and actually borrow the closing costs and not have to pay the closing costs back for 40 years or until you sell the home. Second type of loan programs I want to discuss with you are the classic federal loan programs. These are the FHA loan program and the VA loan program. FHA is the Federal Housing Authority loan program. You have to put 3% down. I don't do these loans a lot anymore because the maximum purchase price or loan amount is $362,000. As you can see in the Bay Area, that just doesn't go far. That might get you a 1 or 2 bedroom condo. With the VA, it's $417,000. So in the North and East Bay, you may be able to use one of those loans if you're a vet who's been honorably discharged. The third type of loan program that I just came across recently is wonderful. It's called the My Community Program. This is a 100% financing loan. It does go up to $417,000, and the credit scores can go down to 600, but it depends on getting an automated approval. What that means is that you're not going to have a individual underwriter underwrite this. You're going to be processed through a loan software program, and that program will then evaluate risk factors, including the amount of lates you've had, if you've had any lates on your credit, the amount of assets you've had. And this is a new loan program, but it's wonderful for the borrower. It can really get you in with zero down payment and have a very low mortgage payment. The rates are equivalent to what you get on a 30-year fixed rate loan in the open market today. The last thing I'd like to discuss with you is the Market Watch program that we're offering. Now, this is a great value to you as a home buyer. First of all, you gain 24-hour access to almost all of the listings available on the public MLS. These will be provided to you electronically via email, or you can gain an access code to the search engine so you can search anytime you want, in the price range you want, in the area you want. Secondly, the added value that we offer you is either a weekly or bi-weekly update via mail of hand-selected listings that we choose for style, price, location, or unique quality. These listings are hand-selected by me and my staff to meet your criteria in that price range, and may be properties that superficially you might just pass by because there's only one picture provided on the public MLS, but I may have seen that property through a realtor's tour that week. And I found that the granite countertops and stainless steel appliances for this price is unbeatable, and I'm going to put it on that Market Watch list for you and send it on out to make sure that you have it, so that you can go out and drive by and perhaps have me open it up for you. So all I'd like you to do is simply click on the link on the email provided to sign up for this Market Watch service, so that you're empowered to get direct access to the public IDX MLS system and to enroll in our Market Watch service, so you can get this behind-the-scenes look at the greatest listings in your price range and area. So I just want to thank you again for viewing this brief video, and I look forward to speaking to you soon. Thanks.